From 1951, another photograph of a UFO from Riverside, California, showing the very significant bell-shaped configuration with 3 spheres projecting from its underside. This is the most familiar type of UFO and has been seen and photographed worldwide by UFO researchers.
Nazi slave agenda through Project Paperclip it entered, using planes made by who do you remember? Through society members with other occult groups, used American money and land to set up the new roots under the names, trying to hide their ties to the right, while the American government turned blind eyes to genocide. Why? Because they wanted to outpace the Russians, so they didn't give much of a thought to repercussions. Then they had to find a way to keep the news secret, while feeding us more of the regular lies that we get. Fleece like sheep with photos of UFOs, so no matter who's opposed, I'm bound to expose the lies before your eyes when it comes to flying saucers. What's inside isn't little green men or monsters, but the U.S. Air Force and the CIA. Using nuclear-powered planes in the experimental states, they used ideas based on planes like the Bell. That's why so many food fighters look the same as well. Tell me it's not more than mere coincidence. Military personnel having increased incidents of abduction dungeons made to warp the mind, distort perceptions and intervene first contact lines across circles are just a cheap charade, deep facade, but still attract the masses like some weak-ass casino odds. Gods from other worlds, more like gods in their own thoughts. How much more ancient aliens can the sheep watch? Stop ignoring all the things going on that actually matter. Obsessed with trivial shit, it's like we're stuck on the same chapter of a real shitty novel filled with ridiculous ideas like ghosts, Sasquatch, religion, political system, pseudoscience, boast about its integrity, but I swear it's compromised. Illuminated pups that run an empire based on lies. There is no such entity as Satan, just another symbol of an altered human trait to rule others through the mental manipulation of information. Got you living superstitious, believing in aliens when you don't know the definition. Listen, Project Bluebeam is in full effect in this country, where you're expected to time to make Joel Osteen money with taxation is step, but you don't give a damn with so-called terrorist attacks. They're just another government scam, but you ain't trying to hear that. Rather hear about lasers, about interstellar craft, anti-gravitational phases, what shit the TV pre-programmed you to like. But I wouldn't rap if I didn't respect what I write. Out of sight, space flight, rocket engines and fading sputter. Calculated odds, rider, God, bunker buster, motherfucker. In the slumber, open your mind side of the truth. Just ask a single believer to produce some real proof. I mean, really. Does nobody here want to question the fact that the U.S. military spent billions of dollars trying to make things that look like UFOs to the uneducated observer? In the U.S. government, through the military-industrial complex, trying to make you not only A, believe in aliens, but B, think that somehow your ass is ever gonna get off this fucking rock. It's not gonna happen. You either take back control of this right now in your own life, do something, or you're just gonna be a fucking slave.
Is the UFO mystery truly a scientific Watergate, an incredible and dangerous cover-up? Understanding of the UFO may be beyond our science and political system, but it is not beyond the human mind. The alien intelligences of the UFO and the human earthlings are all common inhabitants of the cosmic energy intelligence continuum.